Things are about to get crazy. To get you guys back up to speed on what's going on around here, we've been getting rain. A lot of rain and thunderstorms. We've been getting so much that flooding has become an issue. The ground is pretty much as saturated as it can be. And in the meantime, since we can't be out harvesting, what we've been doing is Travis and I sorted off some of the calves that were out in the pasture and put them up in the pole shed. We still got to do some work with them. There's one mother cow in there yet that we got to get out, but they're not working with us very well. So one of these days, after we feed them up here in the pole shed, I'll hop down and close the gate behind them. But for the meantime, we're just kind of letting them go on hold. The mothers are still freaking out. You can probably hear them bawling for their calves. But anyway, what we've also been doing is we went down across from Travis's house to one of our pastures, and the flooding knocked out the driveway that we use to get up to Travis's cornfield up on top of the hill. And it pretty much eroded away the whole driveway. And if anybody pulled in there, it probably would have been a little bit of a problem, because it's probably a good 15-20 foot drop to the bottom of the hole. So what we're doing is we've been talking to the DNR. We have to get a permit so that we can dredge the creek. We're going to use rock that is in the creek to fill the driveway back up. We could just go ahead and repair the driveway, but unfortunately, the material that we're going to be using requires a permit to pull out. So once they permit that, we're going to get a backhoe in, and they're going to pull it all up, dredge the creek, and then kind of reform the little driveway that we use. So we went down there and we pulled out the fences and some of the spots that we want to fill back up. And we're currently waiting on getting the permit from the DNR. So once we do that, I'm sure I'll make a video on us, or on them. We can't really do much to it, but I'll probably get some video of them working depending on when they can do it. I know that they're pretty busy because we're not the only people who have had driveways go out. And anyway, I'll show you guys that footage right now. Let's go see what we did yesterday.
right down. You can see there. Where
Yeah.
it's trying to run there. That's where the creek used to be. And went right straight down through the tube. Where the fires?
Got him. Now with the fences out, we can get in there and dredge the creek and repair the driveway. Now we could use the lower end of that pasture. There is a gate down there, but unfortunately the flooding completely covered that fence. And we got to go down and pull all the stuff off of the fence because there's just a ton of grass and stuff and everything on it. We're thinking smarter instead of working harder because we're waiting for all the grass to dry out before we take it off, because we've done a lot of fence repair after a flood, and it's so much easier to take the grass off after it dries because then it just kind of crumbles off compared to fighting on unwrapping trees and all the grass from the barbed wire. So with that, I'll let you all go. I just want to give you guys a little update on what's going on around here. We are doing some work to the combine. That might be a video coming up, just a little hint. So with that, thanks for watching this video, guys. Be sure to check out all of our other ones. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all how farms work. And if you enjoy our videos, be sure to share with a friend. With that, thanks for watching.